Here we are in the elevator at Hampton Inn Suites in Rainham, Massachusetts. These are ThyssenKrupp. Oh, let's ring the bell. Notice how crooked they placed the call button. Oh, it's loose. That's nice. Notice how they have that. Here's a smoke detector. That one. Housekeeping. That's nice. It's loose. Oh, that's nice. That's loose as well. Let's get the shaft. Let's go down in two. Another one that says smile. And I'm getting off here since this is where I'm staying. This is basically what the landings look like. Let's bring it. That's it.